Villi. The small intestine is 7 meters long. It comes from the stomach and then goes to the colon. And in it, the digestion is happening. In it, basically, the things inside of the food are taken into the human body. Now, and there is a muscle layer, the Muscularis mucosae, and that is contracting, and that causes it's standing with the muscle layer, all these villi on top of it, to contract and swaying back and forth, and that all increases the surface of the small intestine. So it's already 7 meters long, and then it has a muscle layer, and then these things with the Muscularis mucosae at the ground, that is contracting, and that causes all its standing seaweed-like things to sway a bit, because the whole thing is contracting, the ground is contracting. And on it are all these little villi, and these little villi they have on the outside glands, and in the inside there are little blood capillaries, and they are taking the sugars and the minerals and the vitamins and the amino acids out of the food out, and then there are also the lacteals in them. They are taking the fats, and the capillaries transporting it then to the liver, from the portal vein to the liver, and so on. This is basically how the eating is. So there is between the stomach and the colon then this 7 meter long small intestine. It has then all of the sides the Muscularis mucosae that is contracting a muscle, and that because the ground is basically contracting, these seaweed-like things on it are waving basically. On it are all these little villi, and all these little villi on these mountains made of these seaweed things. They are taking everything outside the glands, and they are taking now through the blood vessels on the inside of the sugars, amino acids, and the minerals and vitamins to the liver through the portal vein, and the lacteals in the middle. They are also there. They are taking the fats. That is according to page 467 of the digestive system of the human body of the Reader's Digest Library of Modern Knowledge, Book 2, Part 9, written by Gordon Macpherson and Tony Smith. But this is not medical advice.